Hey there, welcome back. If you're looking to build wealth but don't know where to start, then today's video is for you. We're diving into the world of index funds and ETFs, two of the most popular and effective investment options for long-term wealth building. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how you can use these low-cost, high-return investment strategies to grow your money over time. Let's get started. First, let's break down what index funds and ETFs are, because understanding these terms is the first step to using them for wealth building. An index fund is a type of mutual fund that aims to replicate the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq 100. These funds invest in all the stocks that make up that index, which gives you instant diversification. In simple terms, when you invest in an index fund, you're buying a small piece of all the companies in that index. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, works in a very similar way to an index fund, but it's traded like a stock on the stock exchange. This means you can buy and sell shares of an ETF throughout the trading day, just like a regular stock. The key difference is that ETFs tend to have lower fees than index funds and offer more flexibility because they're traded in real time. So why are index funds and ETFs such great options for building wealth? There are three main reasons you should consider these investments for your portfolio. Diversification. Both index funds and ETFs give you access to a wide range of stocks, meaning you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. With just one investment, you're gaining exposure to many different sectors of the market, which helps reduce risk and smooth out the volatility. Low-cost investing. One of the biggest advantages of index funds and ETFs is their low fees. Since they simply track an index, there's no need for a fund manager to actively select stocks. This passive investment strategy results in significantly lower management fees compared to actively managed funds. Over time, these low fees can have a huge impact on your returns. Long-term growth potential. Historically, index funds and ETFs that track major stock market indexes have delivered solid long-term returns. For example, the S&P 500 has historically averaged an annual return of around 7–10% after inflation. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, these funds have proven to be a reliable way to build wealth over time. Now that you understand why index funds and ETFs are great investment options, let's talk about how to get started. Think about your own financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a house, or simply growing wealth over time? Drop a comment below and tell me what you're investing for. I'd love to hear about your financial goals. Here's how you can build wealth with index funds and ETFs. 1. Choose the right fund for you. There are many different types of index funds and ETFs available. Some track the S&P 500, while others focus on international stocks, small-cap stocks, or bonds. Do a little research and choose the fund that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're new to investing, a broad market index fund like the S&P 500 is a great place to start. 2. Set up regular contributions. One of the easiest ways to build wealth is to set up automatic contributions to your index fund or ETF. You don't need to be a stock market expert to invest. Simply commit to contributing a fixed amount each month. Over time, these consistent contributions will add up, and you'll benefit from dollar-cost averaging, which helps you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. 3. Keep a long-term mindset. The key to building wealth with index funds and ETFs is patience. Don't get distracted by short-term market fluctuations. Stay focused on your long-term goals and continue contributing regularly. The stock market tends to go up over the long term, and by sticking with it, you'll benefit from compounding returns. Now, how about you? Have you started investing in index funds or ETFs yet? If so, what's your strategy? Share with me in the comments below. Let's talk about how you're using these tools to build wealth. So, to summarize, index funds and ETFs are powerful tools for building wealth. They offer diversification, low fees, and long-term growth potential. By selecting the right funds, contributing regularly, and staying patient, you can create a solid investment strategy that works for your financial future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new financial tips and strategies. And again, let me know in the comments, Are you already using index funds and ETFs in your portfolio? Or are you planning to start soon? I'd love to hear your thoughts.